This video deals with the ideas of markups and markdowns. Markup is the difference between what a merchant pays for an item. That word is known as the cost. What a merchant who is selling an item pays for it is the merchant's cost, whether it's coffee, chocolate chip cookies, clothing, anything. Whatever the merchant pays for the item is known as the merchant's cost. And what price the merchant sells the item for, the selling or the retail price. A markdown is the difference between a retail price and a sale price. So let's review here. A markup would be the selling price. To find what the markup is, the selling price minus the cost, what the merchant paid for it, what the merchant's selling it for, and what the merchant paid for it. A markdown is when we have a sale. And at that point, the way you figure out the markdown price is what the original price, in other words, what the item was selling for, minus the sales price, what the item is on sale for. And markups and markdowns are expressed as percents. To find a percent of markup, we find the markup amount, which is the selling price minus the cost, and we divide it by the cost. And to find the markdown amount, we take the original price, we subtract the sales price, and we divide it, that amount, the markdown amount, by the selling price. So now we are going to look at a couple of examples of percent markup and percent markdown. For example, we are looking at a percent of markup. We have an airline that usually increases the price of their plane tickets as the day of the flight gets closer. What is the percent of markup for the plane ticket below? We're told that the base cost, the cost of the plane ticket, is $310. That's here. And their selling price is $550. Okay, as we said, the percent of markup is the markup amount minus the cost. So the first thing I need to find is what is the markup. And if I take that selling price of $550 and I subtract from it the cost of $310, I get $240. This is all in dollars. Now I need to divide that $240 by $310. So let's do that. If I divide 240 by 310, I would find out that this would be approximately, let's see, 240 divided by 310, that comes out to be about 77%. So what is the percent of markup? It would be 77%. Remember, you're going to get a decimal, and you're going to have to convert that decimal into a percent.